I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan, and welcome to your snack pack on the Alpina XB7. Like all Alpinas, this features the signature front spoiler and rear splitter, in addition to Alpina's multi-spoke wheels. These 23 inches may very well be the largest wheels ever fitted on a BMW from factory. Continuing out back on the Alpina XB7, you of course have the signature rear splitter. Subtle in its design and blends in perfectly with the X7's size and stature on the road. In addition to that, you have again another Alpina signature, quad tailpipes. And yes, in case you're asking, these are real exhaust pipes. In fact, let's take a listen. If you're familiar with BMW and Alpina's history, you know that Alpinas are assembled in Dingolfing, Germany. The XB7, however, is assembled here in the United States. It's separated and dedicated to a specific team that is focused on maintaining the same level of craftsmanship that we've come to know and expect from anything with the Alpina name on it. On the inside of this XB7, you'll notice Tartufo full merino leather and an Alpina exclusive maplewood trim. On the dash, that maplewood trim has the Alpina badge etched into it. In addition, you have the signature Alpina plaque just in front of the shifter. Speaking of that shifter, instead of white illumination, both the crystal shifter and the start-stop button now have blue illumination. Moving to the dash, you have an Alpina signature in the blue gauge cluster. Blue backlit with green highlights, and when you rev it, the rev counter now comes out green instead of red. Under the hood of the XB7 is a familiar Alpina engine, 600 horsepower from the twin turbocharged V8. And yes, it does move pretty quickly. Before we wrap up this snack pack, let's take a look at what this XB7 on its 2-axle air suspension all the way down looks like with these 23-inch wheels. That's going to wrap it up for your snack pack on the Alpina XB7. My name is Lewis, and be sure to follow us on all of our social channels. Bmwnyc on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan, and welcome to your snack pack and walk around introduction on the 2021 BMW 4 Series. On my right, I have a 430i xDrive finished in black sapphire, and on my left, an Alpine white M440i. Visually, you'll notice differences on the grille and the headlights. For the grille, extended shadow line trim on this M440i and the standard chrome trim on the 430. You notice a difference in the headlights and the halos. You have full laser lighting on the M440i and your standard LED lighting on the 430. As we continue along back, you'll notice the latest iteration of the BMW Hofmeister kink on the quarter windows. And once we get to the back, you notice this trunk lip spoiler on the M440i, distinctive LED taillights, and of course the black rear diffuser. In addition, you have black finishes on the exhaust. You know what? Let's take a listen because I really like how this sounds. When it comes to additional features, you have new interiors on the 4 Series. You have an updated Sensitech interior that this black one here features. You have Takora red Bmwnyc leather on the white M440i. And when it comes to wheels, style 792M on the M440i, style 793 on the 430, you have a wide variety of options. In addition to that, spec the M Sport brakes when you have the M Sport package, and you can choose between red or blue calipers. When it comes to performance, your 430 has a 4-cylinder twin power turbo engine, 255 horsepower, 0 to 60, 5.3 seconds. Your M440i has a brand new 48-volt mild hybrid system, 382 horsepower, and 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. In addition, with the M440i, you have sprint mode. Let's say you're in top gear, cruising along in Eco Pro, and you want to get past the semi that's in front of you. All you have to do is pull on that downshift paddle, that'll be the paddle on your left, hold it until you see sprint on the dash, and the car is going to downshift to the lowest possible gear based on your speed, and you're going to accelerate real quick, right past that semi. Let off the left paddle, let the car coast, and it's going to go right back into top gear and Eco Pro. And that's going to just about wrap it up for this snack pack and introduction on the 2021 BMW 4 Series. When it comes to technology, you have BMW's latest and greatest. iDrive 7 with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is standard, the latest in BMW's intelligent personal assistant. And for iOS users, you have a digital key. You can use your cell phone to unlock and turn your car on. I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels. BMW NYC on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.